Hi everyone! Today we're going to take a look at the best budget 60 mechanical keyboard in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our top 10 best picks, and we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a budget 60 mechanical keyboard. You can find links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have rkroyal KLUDGE RK61 wired 60%. The rkroyal KLUDGE RK61 may not be your criteria as it costs more than $50, but you only need to add 99 cents to get this compact white mechanical keyboard. For design and build quality, this keyboard is good enough for a mechanical keyboard at a price of $50. The whole body is made of pretty good plastic. Because it has a compact size, this keyboard has no flexible parts at all even though it is made of plastic. Great! rkroyal KLUDGE RK61 is equipped with 61 keys and uses a brown switch with characters that are responsive and fast when used to type. For the sound of typing, the brown switch has a fairly quiet character. Then for the keycaps on the rkroyal KLUDGE RK61 using ABS plastic, which is quite solid for this class. This is very good enough to... Moving on to the next, at number 2 in Motospeed 60% mechanical keyboard. The first 60% mechanical keyboard recommendation for under $50 is a mechanical keyboard from Motospeed. This keyboard has a pretty good design and build quality with the whole body made of plastic, which is quite solid. Motospeed 60% mechanical keyboard is equipped with a total of 61 mechanical keys that use pretty good ABS keycaps. This tiny keyboard is equipped with a very good RGB backlight combined with an ABS keycap that can emit RGB perfectly. For switches, this keyboard is equipped with open red switch which has a clicky character with a loud enough sound. This is suitable for those of you who like a mechanical keyboard with a clicky sound. The number 3 position is held by rkroyal KLUDGE Wireless 60%. This is the wireless version of the rkroyal KLUDGE RK61. This keyboard has exactly the same build quality as the wired version of the rkroyal KLUDGE RK61. It's just that there is an additional Bluetooth connectivity feature that makes it more flexible than the rkroyal KLUDGE RK61 wired version. For keycaps, switches, and Type-C cables have the same options as the rkroyal KLUDGE RK61 wired, but the rkroyal KLUDGE RK61 wireless is priced at a low price. If you want a 60% keyboard with wireless features and pretty great build quality, this is one of the best options right now. Next, at number 4, we have Punkston TH61 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. The Punkston TH61 is a mechanical gaming keyboard with a size of 60% that we recommend. If you're looking for a 60% hot swappable mechanical gaming keyboard, this is the keyboard you should consider. This keyboard is extra waterproof certified, which is a very attractive feature for a keyboard at such an affordable price. The build quality of this keyboard is quite solid with a body made of plastic. Because it supports waterproof, this keyboard is designed to be very rigid so that there are no gaps that water can enter that can damage the PCB. For keycaps and switches, the Punkston TH61 is equipped with 61 ABS keys with optical blue switches, but you can also choose brown and red switches. The number 5 position is held by DIERYA DK61 60%. The DIERYA DK61 is a 60% mechanical keyboard under $50 that has thick, solid, and very good quality PBT keycaps. For this price, PBT keycaps are something very special. DIERYA DK61 has a fairly good build quality with all body materials made of thick and sturdy PBT plastic. DIERYA DK61 is equipped with double-shot PBT keycaps with GAR and optical switch red, but you can also choose other switches such as brown and blue, depending on your taste. This keyboard only supports connectivity via USB Type-C cable. This is enough to meet your needs. Then the RGB backlight feature and software support from DK Software that allows you to reprogram the buttons on the DIERYA DK61. This is one of the keyboards that we highly recommend for you. You can buy it through a special link from us at a friendly price, of course. The number 6 position is dominated by SmartDuck XS61. Next up is the SmartDuck XS61. For less than $40, you've got a mechanical keyboard with a pretty good build quality. This keyboard has a body made of plastic, but because the keyboard is compact, the body feels very solid. The SmartDuck XS61 is equipped with 61 keys with double-shot ABS keycaps, which is a very good keycap. The SmartDuck XS61 is available in cherry MX red, brown, and blue options. This keyboard supports only one connectivity option, which is to use USB Type-C and fully supports Windows, MacOS, and Linux operating systems. The features are still standard, such as RGB and water resistance. But this is good enough because the price is also very affordable. Moving on to the next at number 7 with DIERYA DK63 60% keyboard. DIERYA DK63 is our next recommendation. This keyboard has a pretty good design and build quality even though the whole body is made of plastic. This keyboard is equipped with 63 keys with ABS keycaps. The interesting thing is, the DIERYA DK63 is equipped with dedicated arrow keys, which is a rarity on a 60% keyboard. For connectivity and compatibility, this keyboard supports 2 connectivity options, namely USB Type-C and Bluetooth. This keyboard is compatible with Windows, MacOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. There is already support from DK software for reprogramming buttons and customizing RGB. You can buy this keyboard through a special link from us at a very affordable price. The number 8 position is held by RedThunder K61 Rechargeable Wireless 60% Mechanical Keyboard. Next up is the RedThunder K61. This keyboard has a very attractive design with a body that feels very solid even though it is only made of ABS plastic. But it is solid enough. This keyboard is equipped with 61 keys with ABS keycaps which are pretty good for everyday use with omusuch red, blue, and brown options. For connectivity, this keyboard supports Bluetooth and USB Type-C connectivity. The RedThunder K61 is equipped with a pretty good RGB backlight feature. Next at number 9 we have STOGA 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The STOGA 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is equipped with 61 keys with ABS keycaps and the available switch option is OMU Switch Brown. This keyboard has an anti-ghosting feature to avoid typing errors, and this keyboard has an RGB backlight which is pretty good. This keyboard supports connectivity only via USB Type-C. There are no interesting features on this keyboard. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Motospeed Bluetooth/wired 60% Mechanical Keyboard. Next is Motospeed 3.0 which supports wired and wireless Bluetooth connectivity. This keyboard has a pretty attractive design with an elegant white color. Motospeed 3.0 has a pretty good build quality with a body made of ABS plastic. This keyboard has 61 keys with ABS keycaps and switch. Only one option is available, namely OMU Blue which has a clicky character. The connectivity of this keyboard can be via USB Type-C and wireless 2.4s. This is good enough for flexibility of use. This keyboard is compatible with Windows, MacOS, and Linux. There are no interesting features other than wireless and RGB backlight. That's all for today. We upload budget-friendly product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.